Hey YouTube, this is Jordan. I'm doing my bike check. Alright, so I'm going to start at the top. I have black ODI grips with ODI barns and Odyssey medium lever. It is chrome. My bars are black faded into yellow Colony official bars. And a fly stem with a Cane Creek headset, Mirraco Black Pearl frame, Fit Shiv forks. They're nice. I like them a lot. With the Fit seat. Don't know if you can see that. With the Macneil wedge post. And for my front wheel, I have a madera graffiti hub laced with primo spokes to alloy nipples and a deviant rim with a KHE Mac 2 dirt tire. And my cranks are maderas with an animal sprocket that changes colors, green and purple, with a hollow chain and Colony bottom bracket, premium slim pedals. They roll really smoothly. My cable is an Odyssey in white with a fly brake at the back with cool stop brake pads. KHE KHE Mac 2 tire in the back. My back wheel is a madera graffiti hub laced with primo spokes to black alloy nipples with a alienation runaway rim. But the driver, I changed it to a profile driver just to make it a little bit louder. And yeah, that's my bike. Oh wait, I gotta do. Alright, I'm gonna let you hear the sound. And yeah, that's my sound check. Alright, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.